Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make fog cleaning fluid for the fog machine at home by yourself using only two ingredients. First step, we will need distilled water. And the second one, we will need vinegar. Let's start with the vinegar essence. 50 milliliter into our cup, then plus 150 milliliter distilled water, and then we add this container to our fog machine. That's, of course, we have to mix it a little bit, and then we power on that machine and we start to use that machine for approximately 1 minute or something else. Get it out now. So as you can see, that was the cleaning process of the first step. Now the vinegar makes it clear and no leaking or something else will be there. Then we have to flush it. To flush the machine, we only need distilled water for that. We drip a little bit of it into the tank, and we get this back on the machine and start another one. The second one, I only got 30 seconds or something else. And that it is how to make fog cleaning fluid for a fog machine and clean our fog machine in once. Easy peasy, then we switch off the device and our job is completely done and we can continue using that machine in a clean way, of course. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!